Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good morning students.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, how are you today?
Fine, thank you. And you?
Okay, I am fine too. Who is absent today?
Hafiz, sir.
Hafiz. Why is Hafiz absent?
Because he is sick.
Okay, because he is sick. Okay. Now, students, before we go to our lesson, I want to ask you. Okay, sebelum kita mulai pelajaran, Bapak mau tanya sama kalian. Okay, gimana pengalaman kalian ketika minta tolong atau membuat permintaan kepada orang lain? Contohnya kepada teman atau kepada orang tua. Okay, Aldi.
Biasa ya Pak, dulu penghapus Bang.
Okay, now how about Ari?
Biasanya saya minta tolong itu kata-katanya seperti bisa minjem buku lah, bisa minjem kamus lah. Respon teman-teman biasanya ambil dia, atau kalau nolak itu masih dipakai.
Oke, sekarang ada yang mau ngasih pendapatnya tentang pengalamannya tadi, tentang beri pertolongan? Oke, Sonia.
Tolong sama orang tua pakai kata tolong Pak, contohnya Bu tolong ambilkan baju. Tapi kalau sama teman-teman biasa aja Pak, contohnya polpen pangyan.
Oke, itu semua pengalaman kalian dalam minta tolong atau memberikan permintaan sama orang lain atau orang tua, dan bagaimana cara meminta dengan sopan. Oke, good. Oke, now we are going to watch the video about how making request. Jadi materi kita hari ini adalah how to make request.
Hey, can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
I want to make a CD of my favorite songs.
Okay, no problem. I can do that. It's easy.
Thanks, I'll pay you.
You don't need to pay me. It's my pleasure.
Excuse me, can you give me a hand?
Yes, what's the matter?
My scooter has a flat tire.
Would you like me to help you change it?
That would be nice.
I'll show you how to do it.
Thanks so much. You're very kind.
It's my pleasure. I would like to request a song. What song would you like to request? I'd like to request Hotel California by the Eagles. Who do you want to request it for? It's to Shauna from Paul. I'll play your request next.
Have you watched the video? How do you feel? Nice? Okay, good. Okay, it's all about making requests. Okay, still. Oke. Dari video tadi kalian lihat ada berapa dialog? Ada? Tiga. Oke, good. Yang pertama, apa dia bilang? Can you help me? Good. Okay. Can you help me? Can you help me? Bla bla bla. Kemudian yang kedua, excuse me. Can you give me a hand? Okay, good. Excuse me. Can you give me a hand? Dan yang terakhir apa? I would like to. Tadi dia mau minta lagu. Yang ketiga kan? I would like to request. Nah, mau request tadi. Okay. Ada I would like to. I would like to. Okay, bla bla bla. Okay. These all the expression of making request. Jadi ini semua ungkapan yang digunakan untuk membuat suatu permintaan. Contoh, can you help me? Bisakah kamu menolong saya? Oke. Misalnya can you help me to bring the book? Bisakah kamu membantuku membawa buku? Contoh. Atau can you help me to wash my clothes? Bisakah kamu membantuku untuk mencuci pakaianku? Contoh, kalau punya bantu di rumah. Oke, kemudian yang kedua. Tadi di percakapan kedua ada video orang minta tolong sama orang lain karena bannya kempes katanya. Apa dia bilang tadi? Can you give me a hand? Good. Itu bukan berarti dia minta tangan lah, bukan. Maksudnya, bisakah kamu menolongku? Can you give me a hand? And then I would like to. Yang ketiga tadi dia mau request. I would like to request a song katanya. Apa? California apa gitu. Ya. Jadi I would like to juga saya ingin. Nah, itu juga termasuk request atau permintaan. Kemudian ada lagi. Please help me. Please help me bla bla bla. Oke. Misalnya tolong aku buat pergi ke pasar. Please help me. Tolong antar aku ke pasar. Contohnya. Ada lagi would you mind? Would you mind? Tidakkah kamu keberatan untuk misalnya mengangkat meja, membersihkan kelas dan lain-lain. Itu semua ungkapan dalam bahasa Inggris about how to make request. How to make request. Cara membuat permintaan. Jadi kalau dalam bahasa Inggris itu more polite, lebih sopan. Jadi ada kata-kata please, ada kata-kata can, itu digunakan supaya membuat lebih sopan kepada orang lain. Ya, sama kayak pengalaman kalian tadi, misalnya kayak Diki tadi. Dia pakai kata apa Diki tadi? Tolong. Ya, tolong. Kalau di Sonia tadi gimana? Kalau Sonia tadi kalau sama orang tua pakai kata tolong juga. Ya, itu berarti dia membuat kalimat itu menjadi lebih sopan, sama dengan bahasa Inggrisnya seperti itu. Oke, kemudian bagaimana cara meresponnya? Respon, how to respond it. Bagaimana kalian meresponnya? Kalau kalian mau bantu gimana? Oke, no problem. Kayak yang kedua tadi, oke. Kayak yang pertama, oke, no problem. Oke, tidak masalah. Kemudian sure, I'll do it. Oke. Kemudian it's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. Kalau misalnya kita menolak gimana? I'm sorry. Misalnya mau minjam buku tapi bukunya masih dipakai. I'm sorry. Apa? Kemudian terakhir, kalau enggak, misalnya kita enggak keberatan sama sekali, not at all. Good. Okay, you can write it down on your paper. Okay, from the video and from what I wrote on the whiteboard, I need you to make some example. Ya, dari apa yang kalian tonton di video tadi, kemudian yang Bapak jelaskan di papan tulis, Bapak minta kalian membuat beberapa contoh. Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now I would like to ask some of you to give an example. Who wanna give an example? Okay, Ruslan.
Can you help me to clean the class?
Okay, good. Write it down on the whiteboard. Very good job, Ruslan. Okay, now who else? Siapa lagi yang bisa? Okay, Hairunisa. Okay.
Please help me to find my pen.
Please help me
To find my pen.
Okay, good. For the last chance. Okay, yang terakhir. Wanna give an example? Okay, Sinta.
I would like to ask your food.
I would like to ask your
Food.
yes, good. Okay. This is the examples from your friends. Ini contoh kalimat-kalimat permintaan dari teman-teman kalian, and also you have an example from what I told before and from the video. Jadi kalian dapat 3 source dari video, kemudian dari Bapak jelaskan tadi, kemudian dari contoh teman-teman kalian. Okay, I want to ask you, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now, please divide yourself into 3 groups. Bagi kelompok kalian menjadi 3 kelompok to discuss about our lesson today about how to make request. Jadi bagi kelompok 3 untuk mendiskusikan pelajaran kita pada hari ini tentang how to make request, then you apply it to a real situation. Give me a conversation. Jadi kalian nanti terapkan ke situasi yang nyata. Jadi kalian bikin percakapan yang simple aja. Simple conversation. Jadi ada 3 tempat: at library, di perpustakaan, in the mosque, di masjid, and in the sport field, di lapangan olahraga. Okay, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now please divide yourself.
Excuse me. Can I borrow this book?
Sir, I'll do it for you.
Sonia,
Yeah,
would you mind helping me to carry this book?
not at all.
Oh, thank you. Mom, can you let me your prayer rock, please?
Sure, here you are.
Thank you. Gisma, please close the door on your way out.
Sure, I'll do it. Dicky, can you lend us your ball, please?
Oh, I am really sorry. Where are you using it?
Okay, now we have discussed about the expression of how to make request, and you have made the conversation. Jadi kalian telah membuat percakapan tadi di beberapa tempat. Okay, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, bagus. Jadi dari tugas kalian diskusi tadi, kalian telah dapat kesimpulan dari apa yang Bapak ajarkan. Okay, I would like to ask Ruslan. Okay, Ruslan, how do you feel about our lesson today?
Very excited, sir. We get more knowledge and we practice our speaking.
For your homework, untuk PR-nya, so you can explore more about how to make request. Jadi kalian bisa lebih mendalam lagi pemahamannya tentang materi kita hari ini. Oke, open page 23 and do it in your home. Okay, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. I would like one of you to conclude our lesson today. Okay, Norliana, please.
The conclusion is when you ask someone to do something for you or as if you can do something, it's important to sound polite. For example, can you open the door for me, please? And would you mind cleaning the class? And to respond like, okay, no problem. Sure, I'll do it. It's my pleasure. I'm sorry, not at all.
Very good, Norliana. Now, do you have any question?
No, sir.
Very well. Good. I hope you always practice your English not only in the school but also in your home. Study hard, practice your speaking with your friends or others. Okay, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Well, thank you for your attention. For our lesson today, you have done very good job. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.